Hey y'all, it is $10 Dinner Tuesday and I'm back to show you how to make a meal for a family of 4 for only $10. We're going to grab one chicken breast that I have from last week's video, a box of the chicken burrito kit, and one box of this cilantro lime rice. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our rice started. So I'm going to open up this individual box of cilantro lime rice. Once I get that in my pot, I'm going to get the cilantro lime rice mix out of the burrito bowl kit and throw that right down in there. And then we're going to add 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we're going to cover this, bring it to a boil, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until all the water is absorbed. While the rice is cooking, we're gonna get started on the chicken. I have the one chicken breast. I'm gonna cut this into bite-sized pieces. That way they're all small and uniform and they cook the same. Next, I've got a large pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in there, let it get warmed up, and then we're going to toss our chicken in to cook. Once I've got the chicken in the pan, I'm just going to sprinkle over the seasoning pack that came with the burrito kit and then give this all a really good stir, make sure everything is nice and coated. And then I'm going to cook this for about 10 to 11 minutes until there's no pink left in the chicken. Once the chicken's done, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and then by this point the rice is done and we are ready to plate up. Now at this point, your total meal is costing $9.95. That is if you add no extra toppings. But I'm going to use up some stuff that I have in my fridge that I need to before it goes bad. So I'm going to go ahead and build my burrito bowl. It's just some of the rice down in the bottom of the bowl. And then I'm going to top it with some of the chicken. And then I have a can of pinto beans that I just warmed up in the microwave. I'm going to put a couple scoops of that in with my chicken and rice. I have some guac left over from Super Bowl night. I'm going to add what's left of that down in my bowl. I'm only adding this to my bowl because no one else in my family likes it. I have some lettuce from the salad kit that I need to use up, so I'm going to add a handful or two down in my bowl, and then I'm going to squeeze over the white queso sauce that came with the burrito kit, and then once I have my desired amount of that on there, I'm going to sprinkle with some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And this is our final result. Like I said, $9.95. And this feeds 4 people. I hope you guys give this a try and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video or other videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.